Hey guys, here is a tutorial on how to bleach your knots. All you need is a mixing bowl, basic white, and volume 40 developer. You should mix these together. Try to get a thickish, not too watery consistency. My consistency is gonna be a bit watery, but that's just because after I bleach the knots on this closure, I'm gonna be dyeing the hair jet black. So
I am just mixing.
here's the hair. I got this from the lace shop on Instagram. Amazing hair quality. It's so good. It's HD lace, so you didn't even need to bleach it, but I really wanted to do this video, so that's why I went ahead and bleached it. Okay, and I'm almost done. So here it's finished. I left it on for about 10 minutes. Now you're just gonna wash that bleach off your lace. So this is it afterwards. Side note, this is also how you dye your hair from a natural brown to a brown color. Literally see-through. Subscribe to learn how to water dye your hair without dyeing your knots.